Hello everyone, welcome back to my After Effects tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to create three forms of transitions. So create a new composition, 1920 by 1080, call it circles, then bring in the ellipse tool, draw a perfectly round circle like this. Then I need you to center everything in the middle, including the anchor point, like that. Then rename this to pink as it is. After that, I need you to bring in the scale, put a keyframe, ensure it's at 0, move forward at 1 second forward, then make it so large. After that, I need you to duplicate this layer. Let's rename this to blue. Move this blue at 10 frames forward, like that. 10 frames. Duplicate this again, rename this to yellow. So make this 20 frames forward, like that. Then I need you to now change the color. Before that, let's duplicate it again and call it mask, the end game. Make it at 1 second forward, So let's change these colors as they are indicated. So that one for yellow, it is. Then I need you to select the three, pre-compose. First of all, let's play around with the graph. Ease everything and ensure your graph looks like this. Ease everything. Yes, like that. So select the three, pre-compose. Let's name it whichever name you want. Then alpha invert mask. Then you'll have something like this. Perfect. On to the next. Let's call this radial wipe. The settings are the same. Let's bring in our solids. Start with the pink. Bring in the effect, radial wipe, the effects and presets panel. Put a keyframe on the first frame. Ensure it's at 100. Then move forward at 1 second. Set it up to 0. Then ease. Duplicate that one. Call it yellow. Change the color to yellow. Ten frames forward. Drag that to there. Duplicate. Rename. Blue, color blue. 20 frames forward. 20 frames forward. Then duplicate for the mask. Mask at 1 second forward, like that. So let's ease them and play with the graph editor. So you have something like this. The same applies to yellow and blue. Yellow like that. Then the blue Z's like that. Okay, so after that, minimize this, select them, the three, pre-compose, call them wipes, whichever name you choose, alpha invert. Then you have something like this. Perfect. On to the next. Create a new composition. The setting is still the same. Call this linear wipes. Okay. Let's bring in the solids. Then linear wipe effect. Ensure the transition completion is at 100 and put a keyframe on the first frame. Move it up to 1 second forward. Drop down the completion to 0. Then need you to duplicate these layers for me. First of all, let's see these and play with the graph like this. Okay, duplicate this one. Let's call it blue. Move it 10 frames forward. Let's change the color to the blue as it is. For the colors, you can use whichever color you want. Call this pink. 20 frames forward. 20 frames forward. Okay, then change the color to the pink. Okay, then duplicate one last time the mask. Move it at 1 second forward. Okay, so I need to select the three, pre-compose, call them linear wipe. Okay, then alpha invert, then you'll have something like this. So beautiful. Okay, so for this you can play with the angles. Let's try 320 degrees. So you'll go keying in the 320 on each layer. 320 degrees, and this one again 320 degrees. Even the mask, show it's at 320 degrees so that you can have a transition like this. Voila, that is so perfect. So thank you for watching.